So here's a question for you. Noah and I come back to school and I bring a chocolate bar. My favorite chocolate bar, guys, is an ice cream Snickers. Have you ever had one? Ice cream Snickers. I bring an ice cream Snickers bar to school, and I decide that Noah and I are going to share it equally or fairly. If we want to share it fairly, I want you to take a second and think, how could we share it fairly? Turn and talk to the person next to you. Tell your name. Okay, let's come back together in 3, and in 2, and in 1. Awesome. Who can tell me, how could we share that ice cream Snickers? Caitlin, tell me what you thought. Break it apart into equal. Can you picture me just breaking it apart? Okay. What were you thinking, Morgan? I saw your hand go up really fast. 2 pieces. How many people were thinking 2 pieces? Do you think they'd be different sizes or the same size?
The same size.
Different or same? If I want it to be fair, turn and talk to your partner. What would make it fair? Go. I'm going to let actually Noah share, because Noah's the one who has to share this candy bar with me. Noah, what are you thinking?
I was thinking that you can break it
Yeah, he wants equal pieces because he doesn't want me to get more. And guess what? I don't want him to get more. So could we take, if this was my candy bar, could I fold it in half and fold it into 2 equal pieces?
Yeah.
If I take a candy bar and I share it into 2 equal pieces, okay, I could just cut it between 2 people. Then what we say is that each person gets 1/2 of the candy bar. Something else I like to make and share are cookies. This cookie. You're in a group and you have to share it with one other person. Okay? If you have to share this between 2 people, think to yourself, could you figure out how to share it between 2 people?
Yes.
Okay? Take a moment. You can work with the person next to you. Figure out how you might fold it so you can share it fairly with another person. Go. Hold up your last 2 cookies. Okay, you got your last 2 cookies? Here's what I need you to do. Work with your partner, and I want you to take 1 cookie, and you're going to share it between 4 people. And you're going to take, wait, listen to the other one. You're going to take another cookie, and you're going to share it between 6 people. How much did each person get? 1 6 1 6 1 6 1 6 1 6 1 6. Everybody gets 1 6. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, so you got 4 equal pieces. Oh, and you have 4 equal pieces. Did y'all do it a little differently? Are yours the same size?
4.
Are yours the same size? So is it 2 different ways to share to create a board? Very, very cool. How many pieces? Do you agree this is about 4 equal pieces? Because I'll be labeled each one. How many people really like cookies? I love cookies. Chocolate chip cookies are my favorite. Would you rather be in a group that's going to share with 2 people or with 6 people? Don't say it out loud. Give me a thumbs up. Would you rather share that cookie in a group with 2 people or in a group with 6 people? Turn and talk to the person next to you. Go. What would you rather? We're going to turn and listen to Mackenzie. Now, before Mackenzie speaks, I need everybody's eyes on Mackenzie.
I will pick 6 groups because
Let's try it out with a real piece of paper. Okay, here's my cookie. Okay, me and Nay, let's share it. So I'm going to split it in half and cut it into how many equal pieces? 2. Okay, do we all agree that this is a half? And Miss Morgan got a half? Okay, Nayla's going to hold up her half. Mackenzie is going to split her cookie into 6 pieces. And Mackenzie, I'm going to let you keep 1, but I want you to pass out your cookie to some other people, okay? Okay, come up here, Mackenzie. Mackenzie, stand next to Nayla. Who has a bigger piece of cookie left over, Nayla or Mackenzie?
Nayla.
Is Nayla's bigger?
Yes.
It's a little confusing, guys, because the number 6 is bigger than the number 2. But when we're talking about these fair shares and fractions, 1/6 is smaller than a half.
Yes.
So if I share with 2 people, I get a bigger piece than if I share with 6 people. You ready for this one?
Yeah.
It's a really big challenge.
No.
Okay. Would you rather share with 3 people in a group of 3 or in a group of 10? Think to yourself. Think to yourself. Think to yourself. Turn and talk to the person next to you. Who wants to start us off and share their thinking? What are you thinking and why?
I think we should do 3 because like what Mackenzie just did, she passed out 6, and then we have to pass out 10 equal. And
So you're thinking 3. What are you thinking, sir? Would you rather share with 3 people or with 10 people? 3? We feel really good about 3. Why 3? What happens if you share with 10 people? It's going to be what? Let's try it out. Share with 3 people. We have not a bunch. Each person gets a... If I share with 10 people, each person gets a 10th. And is it a little baby piece?
Yes.
So is 1/3, have y'all seen this symbol before? Is 1/3 bigger than a 10th?
Yes.
That's so crazy. 1/3, is it a bigger piece than a 10th?
Yes.
Is 1/2 a bigger piece than a 6th?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
all of the little numbers are getting bigger and all of the smaller numbers are getting less.
The bigger numbers mean my pieces get smaller, and my smaller numbers mean my pieces get bigger. So y'all just did something really cool today.